Hello guys and welcome to another episode. In today's episode we're going to look at Volcom's Stoneland, one of the first major brands to take a leap into the metaverse, so lots of exciting things coming up. Obviously nothing I talk about in this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay, so this is Volcom's Stoneland website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. You can see that Stoneland is embracing the strange with Volcom's Stoneland, a metaversical wonderworld of community happenings, surreal creatures, NFTs, and exclusive member drops. Now, a lot of different companies you've probably heard of sort of starting to look at stuff in the metaverse, but some have taken this on more than others. And this on the right hand side is basically one of the NFT drops that they're going to be doing, kind of obviously skateboarding, etc. But what's cool about the NFT is not necessarily the image itself, but what it represents and all the utilities that come along with it. If you're interested in minting one, you literally have all the information here on how to do so, as well as being able to join the Discord and the community. There's going to be 1,991 of these NFTs are dropped. And if you want to buy them, all you need to do, guys, is come over here and tell you all the information about it. Come over to this website, connect your MetaMask, and you're going to be able to do it through there. Here you can see the Stoneland roadmap. You can see most of this stuff has been completed. But looking into this one, Volcom skateboard NFT launch, Stoneland skate parks open, various NFT auctions, NFT Generation 2 launches, skates with Stony NFTs, and continue to build out of Stoneland. So this is quite cool. They're going to use it to fund opening different skate parks, different competitions and meetups. So if you're into skating and things like that, this could be definitely something you're interested in. Here you can see exactly what Stoneland is. Volcom's metaverse experience from the committed to embracing the strange. Collect unique characters and skateboard NFTs. Experience a full Volcom branded virtual metaverse with a built out store and skate park. Grab your avatar and shred in the skate park. So this is an example of the kind of looking inside of the metaverse. You can see the kind of like skate shop, different characters and things going on. All pretty cool, and you can see all the different kind of brands, logos and features available. This is then looking into the outside area where you've got kind of like the skate park and all the different characters. As you can see right now, it's under construction, so it'll be pretty cool once it's set up. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the Tony Hawk's sort of pro skater games that you got back in the day if you ever played those. Now what's really exciting about Stoneland is what it really represents. It's kind of like a pioneer in terms of Volcom taking the step to integrate into the metaverse and create a metaverse and NFT project, and a lot of other brands will be looking at the success of projects like this to see whether or not they'll be taking part in things like that. And it's my estimation that lots more brands will be jumping on this train later on in the year. Another cool thing is that Volcom, obviously a well-established brand with over 1.8 million followers on Instagram, social media, etc. And what's cool about that is a lot of those followers may not be interested in NFTs because maybe they haven't really had the opportunity to integrate into that world yet. But what's exciting about that is that then you've got a community of passionate people who are interested in skating, Volcom, etc., who could then be brought into the NFT space, ultimately into the crypto space. And as more of these companies start to push this kind of stuff to their followers, you can see just how exciting it could be for the future of NFTs, Metaverse, Web3, etc. Now, in order to get yourself an opportunity to win a whitelist spot, all you got to do is come over here, click on their Discord, and you will then be able to chat with the community, find out more, and apply to get onto the whitelist. As well as that, make sure you go and check out all of their different social medias, Twitter, etc. Coming across the Twitter page, guys, 280,000 followers, as I've mentioned. That's exciting because it's already a huge community. So make sure you get over to Discord early. So just to recap, guys, Volcom's Stoneland NFT Metaverse project. Make sure you don't miss out on a potential whitelist spot and head over to their Discord, which can be found in the website linked down below. This could be one of the most exciting projects because it represents something far bigger than just the single project. And that is a very big brand starting to launch itself into the world of the metaverse. Some really exciting features, and I can imagine that a lot of other projects are going to follow suit and start to do that this year. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about Web3, the metaverse, NFTs and crypto, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.